Happy Halloween to all of you. We are so excited to be celebrating here on News 4 Great Day with a Brady Bunch themed cocktail. Our next guest, Meredith Barry with Niche Food Group, is joining us now with a recipe for the Greg Brady Wipeout Punch. Meredith, I didn't even know this was a thing.
It is. College bars everywhere know of it in what we call the dark period of the 90s.
Oh, well, I am excited to learn about it, going back all the way to the 70s for the show. So how does one make the Greg Brady Wipeout?
It's really easy, and I kind of changed it up for you so it could be easy for everybody to make it at home. You just start off, of course, with some vodka, and you go local. You go to 1220. That's our local vodka made by the guys at Four Hands who create that awesome microbrew beer. We're just going to do an ounce of that. Oh, yeah. 1 ounce of the vodka. Then you're going to take some white rum or any kind of unaged rum that you'd like. If you like it funky, go funky. Get a Jamaican. Go ½ ounce of that. Then we got a Kalani coconut liqueur. Now, if you don't want to do the coconut liqueur, you can just get a coconut rum. We all know Malibu, no big deal. We got a ½ ounce of that. Stick it in there. And then a full ounce of banana liqueur. Oh, the banana. There's lots of different kinds of banana liqueur. I really like Giffard. It's my favorite. Lots of delicious banana flavors. So then we're going to shake it up. Nice, good shake. Add that ice, tin, shake it.
So Meredith, I'll be honest with you. I have not seen every Brady Bunch episode, but how is this and Greg Brady Wipeout? How does that all go together?
Do you remember when they went to Hawaii, the special? Come on,
Oh, yes. Did he indulge in these and it didn't end well, I'm guessing?
It didn't end well. He had a wipeout for sure. This cocktail is definitely going to put you in a wipeout mode, too, if you drink too many of them.
I'm sure, but it seems like we're taking a vacation, and that's exactly what we need right now.
It's a definite vacation drink. It's going to be really fun to do at home. This I just got from Whole Foods. It's a tropical blend with mango and passion fruit. So you don't have to get a passion fruit puree or a mango puree. You can just get a cool soda from Whole Foods, and there you go. There's your cocktail. It's tropical. It's delicious. We're going to put a decompostable straw made of hay in there. That's right. No plastic here. All right. And then to make it a little spooky, because it is Halloween, a little wipeout, right?
Yeah.
Black sea salt.
Oh.
Yeah, very
See,
fancy.
this is why we invite you, because you know how to make it fancy. Well,
You're worth it.
It looks good. I can't wait to celebrate Halloween with you again in person. We had you last year. Thank you for joining us virtually. And friends, if you're bored, try the Greg Brady Wipeout. There you go. Thank you, Meredith. So good to see you. Happy Halloween to you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
We're thrilled to have you. We'll post the recipe for the Greg Brady Wipeout cocktail on our website, kmov.com/greatday, following the show.